Hey Anyworders! Welcome to our next tutorial, which will cover how to create landing page projects and set up Anyword's continuous optimization feature. This project can be created two ways. One way, you can generate new copy based on a description of your product or service using the brief on the right side of the screen. The other way is to insert a URL and have Anyword's classifier scrape the web page to identify the main assets to generate text for. I'll use an Anyword page as an example. Once you enter a URL, the brief will be created. Make sure the description is accurately describing your product or service. Once you click Create Project, Anyword will then list 5 assets on the page in no particular order. You can also add more assets by clicking on Find More Assets on the page. You can configure as many assets as you'd like. Find the assets you want to optimize and click on the switch to enable the asset. Classify the asset accordingly. You can choose from product name, copy, or call to action. Once you've labeled the asset, hover over the original text and click on Improve with AI. This is where you'll create your copy variations. You can generate text with Anyword and add your own copy to improve. Text variations you save will be added to the asset on the main page. Next to every line of text, you'll see a score. This is our predictive performance score, and it's been trained on $250 million worth of ad spend. The score grades copy variations based on their performance potential. Use it to optimize and get immediate feedback on your copy variations. You'll also see a score histogram, a demographic breakdown by age and gender of your copy's potential performance. The taller, longer bars are more likely to react to the generated copy variations. There are 2 additional tabs in the landing page project. This is for setting up continuous optimization. Continuous optimization is a feature for pro users to automatically optimize your copy and track your text variations performance. Basically, Anyword will not only generate high-performing text, it'll help you convert more users by optimizing the copy on your site automatically. If you don't have access yet to this feature and would like to hear more about it, click on Request Access and we will reach out to you. If continuous optimization is enabled for you, go to the Settings page. The first part is setting the percentage of the population you would like to run the variations on. Then define your conversion goal. Insert the URL that the CTA will send users to. Anyword's algorithm will optimize the variations shown based on the click-through rates configured here. If your goal is not a simple URL redirect, you can add this line of code to the JavaScript function that is called when the conversion goal CTA is clicked. Audience targeting is an additional setting that allows you to optimize your traffic based on referral and UTM parameters and have Anyword optimize your copy per audience. You can add up to 5 target audiences. Anyword will find the best variations for each audience separately. This is an optional setting. If you choose not to configure it, then all visitors will be treated as the same audience. Lastly, insert a snippet of JavaScript on your site. Use the guide shown for exact instructions. Once done, click on Verify to confirm your snippet has been successfully configured. Once you have confirmation that your goal and snippet have been successfully configured, click Start to begin continuous optimization. You can also pause the campaign when you don't want it to run. The variation page is where you can control your variations and track the performance of each copy. Ideally, you should have around 3 assets running with a few variations. New variations of text can be added at any time while you're running continuous optimization. The Continuous Optimization Performance tab is where you can track how variations perform against the baseline. If you need any assistance or have any questions, please contact us by clicking the Help button on the bottom right side of the page, and thank you for watching. Good luck.